In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Binance entity or corporate account and explain why certain requirements are essential in this process. Let's dive into what you'll need to get started and why these documents matter. First, when you decide to register a business entity account on Binance, it's crucial to gather and provide some basic yet important information. This includes the entity's name, the registration number, legal form, and the country or region where your business is incorporated. These details help establish the identity of your business and ensure it fits within Binance's accepted parameters for operations. Think of it as the foundational introduction of your business to Binance's ecosystem. In addition to this, you'll be asked to list all the related parties involved in your business. This typically includes directors, ultimate beneficial owners, and any authorized persons who will interact with the account. The idea here is to offer a clear understanding of the key people behind the entity, ensuring transparency and aligning with anti-money laundering regulations. Next, you'll need to upload several official corporate documents. Among these are the Certificate of Incorporation, which proves your business's official existence, and business registration documents. Other necessary documents could include articles of association, bylaws, or a memorandum. You might also need to present a register of directors or shareholders. All these documents collectively verify the structural integrity of your business entity and affirm Binance's confidence in maintaining a secure and legitimate platform. Moving on, it's also required to provide proof of address for the entity. This can sometimes extend to the ultimate beneficial owners as well. Accepted forms usually include utility bills, bank statements, or government documents. They serve as corroborating evidence to confirm where your business operates, bolstering the geographical legitimacy of your application. Occasionally, you may be asked for additional documentation like board resolutions, authorization letters, proof of operating status, or even proof of good standing. While they might seem extra, these documents further authenticate the operational capacity and authorization of your business to conduct the activities you intend to pursue on Binance. In summary, each piece of information and document you provide plays a critical role in establishing trust and adherence to regulatory compliance. Binance's strict requirements are not just procedural necessities. They are protective measures that ensure a safe, secure, and legally compliant trading environment for everyone involved. As you gather these documents, take your time to verify their authenticity and accuracy to prevent any holdups in the application process. Following these guidelines diligently not only facilitates a smooth account setup, but also sets a foundation of integrity and trust for your future operations.